You've been wandering, scrolling and searching, waiting for a sign. Well, this video is it. You weren't made to blend in. You were made to lead, to build, and to win. Up until now, the Matrix has lied to you. They said to work hard, to wait your turn. Success will come. I believe that too. Until I saw a man in my family trade 30 years of his life. He did everything right. He followed the system. He went to university. He got the job. He got the house mortgage. He got the marriage. For what? All he got was a nice watch and a thank you. Meanwhile, the owner sold the company that my dad helped build from the ground up for $120 million. That's when I vowed to crack the code. And here's the secret. When I cleaned bathrooms and would wake up at 3 a.m. to go clean parking lots, I worked hard. Much harder, in fact, than I do today. Yet today, I make in a day what used to take me months of cleaning parking lots and cleaning bathrooms. Why? Because now I know the levers to pull, the codes to type into the Matrix to increase my income, help me gain followers, capture attention, and most importantly, buy my freedom. And I've turned those levers into the SMCA campus. Piece by piece, you will learn these levers and you will learn the codes. Wake up now. You're not here by accident. Tens of thousands of students have escaped the Matrix here inside of the SMCA, and now it's your turn.
In general, I've made like 20K.
$6,000 from joining university within a month or 2 months.
I'm making around 4K a month.
None of that could be possible if it weren't for Moneybag Madden.
Moneybag Madden. Madden's always on time.
This campus is your weapon, and I'm in the trenches with you as your professor. I've got 4 things that I want you to do right now. Step 1, write down, today is the day I crack the code. Save it and say it. Every time you say these words, this phrase rewires your brain. I explain the exact science behind it in my live calls. Step 2, introduce yourself. Share your name, where you're from, and what you're here to achieve. You're not alone. We've got your back. Step 3, upload a profile picture. It could be your exact picture, which I would prefer, or it could be an AI version of yourself. You're no longer an NPC, forgotten. You are now a main character, seen. Step 4, post GMM to the morning chat. Start the day winning every single morning. This campus isn't just pixels on a screen, it's alive. You are no longer a ghost in the system. Show your face, make your name known. Join us on this journey from the trenches to the penthouse. You made it this far in the video, and it proves to me that you have what it takes, and it proves to yourself, most importantly, that you have what it takes. Welcome to the social media and client acquisition campus. You're no longer a pawn. You're no longer a loser. You're one of us now. I'm Professor Dylan Madden, and I will see you in the next video.